we will learn about prepositions of place. Let's read with me. The turtle is behind the shell. Behind. B-E-H-I-N-D. Behind. The turtle is front of the shell. Front. F-R-O-N-T. Front. The turtle is beside the shell. Beside. B-E-S-I-D-E. Beside. The turtle is in the shell. In. I-N. In. The turtle is near the shell. Near. N-E-A-R. Near. The turtle is under the shell. Under. U-N-D-E-R. Under. Let's read again. The turtle is behind the shell. Behind. B-E-H-I-N-D. Behind. The turtle is front of the shell. Front. F-R-O-N-T. Front. The turtle is beside the shell. Beside. B-E-S-I-D-E. Beside. The turtle is in the shell. In. I-N. In. The turtle is near the shell. Near. N-E-A-R. Near. The turtle is under the shell. Under. U-N-D-E-R. Under.